So what is the Affluent Address Database?
Well, the UK Affluent Address Database is a database of all the most affluent areas in the country. Now, we've concentrated in this video on parts of West Yorkshire, in Leeds, out in Wetherby, here in Ilkley, and basically, you know, we have given you an idea that we can get you and your products and services right in front of the people with the most money in the area. Now, it's not just about Leeds or the West Yorkshire area. Of course, every single part of the UK we cover. Affluent Address Database is all about giving you access to more affluent people than ever before. So what you can do is target people by profiling your own data and finding exactly the right kinds of customers that you can send your communications to in the most affluent parts of the country.